Okay, let's finish up this wiring job I started yesterday. Oh, the joy. Let's see, I guess a good place to start would be opening the garage door, wouldn't it? Uh-huh. Yeah, let's do that. So yesterday, from the plug that is gonna come out of the back of the car, I had wired the ground and the running light. So what I have to wire today, that's the sound of an old man getting down on the floor, is the two wires is going to be the left and right turn signal and brake light. So let's see where we're at now. If this is done correctly, when I put this tester light into the ground plug, it lights up like that. Oh, that's lovely. So that works. I'm not going to test the other light right now, just because it involves getting up again, and in my age, the less times I have to get back up and get back down, the better. So instead, I'm going to go under the car. I believe I'm going to have to undo the wiring that I did up in here before and figure out which wire went to the various and sundry different lights. I may can do this if I could find the wire that comes out of this light. That would be the wire I'm looking for, and if I could, and it might be this red wire. Well, let's see, now there's also this red wire, so I'm guessing that might run to the brake light on either side. Yeah, I'm gonna turn y'all off while I sort out what I'm doing here. It's just as well to do. I can feel this wire right here goes to that, and I can feel the wire over here. I think I can. Maybe sunlight's in my eye. I bet you this one is that one. And I don't think I shrink wrapped this one. I think I just wrapped it in tape. And if that's the case, I should be able to unwrap it and test it with my tester light and actually probably solder in the wire that needs to go back to it. And then maybe what I'll do this time is put the shrink. I may have left this unshrink wrapped so that I could get to it easier. And so maybe when I get finished with that, I can redo it and get it shrink wrapped for the final fix here. But after this, I shouldn't need to be getting into these lights anymore. I think. Looks like it right there. So what I want to do is run my let's see, how do I want to do this? I could run my test light line battery and then check it that way. I'll know I have ground. Or I could, since I just did this ground yesterday, I suppose I could just put my test light onto that ground that I just hooked up yesterday, and that should allow me to test this. I go up to inside the car and put the blinkers on. Oh, the joy. Oh, the joy. Put y'all on pause for a second while I do that. I don't think this is gonna be too hard. Yeah. So, get y'all over here so you can see me. And That's the wire right there. I'm looking at it through the camera and otherwise, and it's making me a little cross-eyed here, but so that's what I'm gonna need. Pretty sure this is the same on both sides. So I'm gonna cut that blinker off, and I'm gonna pick the correct wire from this plug and run it up there and solder it into that, and then wrap some of that shrink wrap around it and do that. And I'll cut y'all off again while I do that part. Love y'all. Hope you're having a great day. I thought y'all were on, but that's just as well. I got that part welded. I'm going to test it, and then if it's good, I'm going to shrink wrap it. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay. There's my turn signal on that side. And here it is blinking through the yellow wire here. So, now all I gotta do is insulate that, and then we can go to work on the trailer. And I got some lights I'm gonna be adding to the trailer, so it's gonna be fun, I think. Okay, I've got them wired in, and I've tested the lights, and everything is working as it's supposed to. So I can put all this wire back up under there where it goes, and actually get this thing down off the jacks. Take all of this and tuck it up in there. And I just cut the camera off while I do that, and then we can focus on the trailer. Okay, I got all the wires tucked away, and I made this into something nice and neat that I can actually stick right up in top of my trailer hitch here, like that, and then it becomes just about invisible. Then when I need it, I can just pull it right out. You probably have to unhang the other side over here. Yep. Pull it right out, and I'll make sure to make the wire that comes off my trailer long enough to reach out here to reach this at about where the ball connects. So that works pretty good. I'm gonna stick that back up in there for now. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get the car down off of the blocks. In fact, I might back it out of here and bring the trailer in to do the wiring on the trailer, which would be probably a bit more comfortable and all. Okay.